Today I'm gonna show you how to do 3-phase to single phase panel board making. So this is a 32 ampere MCB for the four pole, then RCB also 4 pole. This MCB for incoming cable is here, then I put the outgoing cable is here. Outgoing cable is come for RCB incoming part. Then RCB outgoing side is every single phase I make for 2 MCB. Then line 1 making for 2 MCB 1 2. Then line 2 make for the 2 MCB another 2. Then line 3 make for the another 3 and 2 MCB. Then neutral is direct going neutral bar. So this you can see the 3 neutral bar, 3 neutral cable here. So then every MCB for the one is a single RCB. Single RCB I use for the outlet part, outlet for the 220 volt. I mean 220 volt for outside. This one for indicator light. These two cable here are put. Then this is the fuse here. The fuse put for the indicator light. This.